Do you know that the things we eat and the cosmetics we use have a lot in common, as there are fast food eateries everywhere, so there are fast food lotions and potions that you can purchase at any pharmacy or supermarket? But you know the meal you prepare at home is much more wholesome, nutritious and healthy. The impact of these fast food cosmetics and skincare products on general health and well-being is little to non-existent. These mixtures of petrochemicals and preservatives at most offer momentary alleviation from a particular ailment. Perhaps they lessen the regular feeling of dryness on your skin. You continue to grab for that plastic tube more and more frequently, but the underlying cause of your skin's dryness does not go away.
It sure doesn't.
Welcome to the Coconut Oil Skincare, where you'll learn amazing organic skincare recipes to make your skin, body, and mind glow. If you want to learn how to make your own cosmetic products, the right skincare products to use that are chemical-free, or the right moisturizer for face, skin lotion that wouldn't cause skin rash, skin allergy, or general tips on how to make your skin glow, then stick around. We have tons of videos to help you achieve your goals. This first video is to sensitize you with the need to use homemade organic products and make you realize the difference between quick food and wholesome natural beauty. After this episode, you will understand the advantages of attempting some simple recipes for organic, homemade skincare products. You will treat your skin and face with more thought and shop for ready-made beauty products with more awareness once you realize how simple it is to make your own skincare product, body lotion, facial oil, etc. You'll learn how to enhance your own inherent beauty. Nothing will stop you from developing into a true beauty, both inside and out, once you combine these factors with your newly acquired understanding of nutrition's healing, beauty, promoting and stress relieving property. Why should you go for homemade organic products? With a total surface area of about 20 square feet, your skin is the largest organ in your body. However, when compared to the liver, heart, lungs, etc., you would be tempted to think that your skin is a very minor organ. Think again. The other organs, while essential to your survival, are well protected within your body. Your entire body is exposed to the elements. The body shields us from disease, aids in maintaining a healthy body temperature, and gives us the ability to feel the touch and warmth of the environment. Also, the fact that skin ages well is often considered the most significant aspect of the skin. Since it serves as a shield between the body's internal organs and the outside world, it is more likely to sustain damage than any other organ, yet it also constantly renews and repairs itself. Given its significance, perhaps shouldn't we give it greater attention? There are special solutions available that support and nourish your skin, yet how frequently have you desired more of them? Do you purchase 2, 3, or more products to satisfy your specific requirement? How many times have you bought a product that meets your needs, but it ends up that you don't like the aroma? I spent a fortune on all of these items before I made the decision that enough was enough and I would start making my own. I am aware that you work very hard for your money, so let's save some of it. Your own kitchen and environment contain a world of beauty that is just waiting to be found. Mother Nature's pure, organic elements are just ready to be included into your beauty routine. The natural beauty remedies we present in this channel are designed to quickly and easily take care of all of your cosmetic issues, from chapped lips to dark circles beneath the eye. The real beauty of this channel, however, is in the fact that it covers a broad range of subjects using a healthy, natural approach, covering everything from the most basic of undesired skin ailments like dry skin to more advanced skin problems like rosacea. Nothing but natural solutions to hydrate your skin and leave it healthy and beautiful. No harsh chemicals, no dangerous components that are difficult to identify. More beautiful is the fact that we teach you how to create your own organic cosmetics. In the next video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare your first organic skincare product. This channel is designed to be your go-to resort for natural skincare recipes and treatment plans that suits your unique skin type. We promise to teach you all our magic recipe to transform your skin in a short time. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do so now and hit the notification bell too. Do well to also like this video and drop your comment below. See you in the next video.